Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to register for Empower Online. To begin, navigate to the official Empower website using your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the prominent Register or Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner or center of the homepage. Before clicking, ensure you have all necessary personal identification details readily available, such as your full name, date of birth, and contact information. This preparation will make the initial steps much smoother and quicker for you. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out the registration form. It's crucial to enter all your personal information accurately, including your full name, address, and contact details. Then, create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification link. Clicking this link is a vital step to confirm your email address and activate your new Empower Online account. To further secure your account, we highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, often requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. You might also be asked to complete your profile with additional information, like security questions or preferences. Take a moment to carefully review the terms and conditions of service. Understanding these is important before you agree to them, ensuring you're fully aware of the platform's policies. Finally, before you click the Submit or Complete Registration button, take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered. Double-check for any typos or inaccuracies. Once submitted, you should receive an immediate confirmation message on screen and often an email indicating your successful registration. With your account now active, you can proceed to log in using your newly created username and password and begin exploring all the features Empower Online has to offer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.